Hi everyone, just a quick video today. So I recently had an issue with the Impala where when I was driving it was making a clicking noise coming from behind the glove box, and this is a common failure. I'll insert a video of the noise now. So this is what the issue is. It's the blend door actuator. This is the old one. I've gone ahead and changed it, but apparently the gears in here wear out and there's a little motor and everything that controls one of the dampers in the HVAC system. Now in this car, or with this failure I should say, this would be the blend door actuator, which controls whether or not the air is coming from the outside or recirculating. So if we can look up in here, and the lighting is poor, let me see if I can change that. All right, that's better. The actuator is right here, and then there's a screw right here, and then one right up here as well. And this is kind of difficult to get to. We've got this wire right in the way here, and once you can get your hand up in, but then there's hardly any room for tools or to be able to move your muscles to be able to do what you need. So that is now replaced, and then also to get to it, you just have to move the glove box out of the way here. It just pushes up into place, but just pull the latch down, and then you can reach up in kind of this gap, and you want to push down on the glove box and push up on this trim, and then that'll just drop down. Okay. And I apologize for the poor video quality. I'm kind of laying on my stomach over the console here to be able to get in and work on this. But anyway, all back together now. So I'll switch the damper. It's on recirculating, or I'm sorry, fresh air. So we'll switch it to recirculating. I'll turn the fan back down. Yep, you can see the door switch. No clicking, no issues. I'll go back to fresh air. Nice and quiet. All right, thanks for watching. One last thing to note, this is a very common failure point on 9th generation Impalas. Mine specifically is a 2010 LT, but this process would be pretty much the same for any 06 to 2012 or 13, depending on the trim.